Ever missed a perfect trade because you blinked or because you weren't glued to your screen? Tools like Trade Ideas and PowerX Optimizer claim to automate that edge. But here's the catch. Not every platform is built the same, and in this video I'll show you what really works. By the end, you'll know which one fits your trading style best. Now, when I first looked up into PowerX Optimizer, I didn't just take their word for it. I dug through the actual user's review to see what real traders are saying. I came across one older review from way back in 2009. The user said that they paid $1,500 for Rockwell's futures training, but felt like it lacked direction and didn't follow a clear strategy. Now, look, that's not nothing, but it's also a one-off from over a decade ago, and the platform's changed a lot since then. I couldn't find many recent complaints like that, which suggests it wasn't a widespread issue. More current reviews tell a different story. For instance, one trader called the optimizer excellent for analyzing trades and loved how it connected directly to his brokerage. He did mention a few things that could be better, like paper trading features and auto entry for options, but overall he still strongly recommended it. And across hundreds of reviews, PowerX holds a strong 4.5 out of 5 stars, which says a lot. No platform is perfect, but the recent feedback shows that it's helping a lot more traders than it's frustrating. But here's what makes the PowerX Optimizer stand out. It's not just another trading tool. This platform was built by Marcus Heitkoder, a former IBM employee who turned his passion for trading into a multi-million-dollar success story. With the PowerX Optimizer, you're not just getting a piece of software. You're getting years of Marcus's experience distilled into a user-friendly, effective system. What sets this platform apart for me is its focus on two proven strategies, the Wheel strategy and the PowerX strategy. The Wheel strategy is a straightforward yet flexible approach that starts by selling put options to collect premiums. If you're assigned the stock, you can then sell call options to keep generating income. I think that's pretty simple, repeatable, and it's perfect for traders who just like that steady, reliable strategy. On the other hand, the PowerX strategy is all about precision and timing. It's designed to identify trends, determine the perfect entry and exit points, and help you manage risk like a pro. And trust me, this isn't just some cookie-cutter system. I believe it's versatile enough to fit both day traders and swing traders, making it a great fit no matter your style. The PowerX Optimizer has made my trading process so much smoother. With real-time market data and option scanner built around the Wheel strategy, right? It's basically like having a trading assistant that filters the noise so that you can focus on the execution. I really like the diversification analysis tool for keeping my portfolio balanced and for spotting new opportunities. The market scans, the earnings dashboard, and the heat map dashboard give me quick, actionable insights without wasting my time. What I appreciate most is how intuitive it all feels. From portfolio tracking to a mobile-friendly design, it keeps everything clear and accessible so that I can focus on making those smarter trades wherever I am. Alright, so after testing PowerX, I knew I had to try something even more advanced, Trade Ideas. If you're looking to let AI do the heavy lifting, this one caught my eye fast. Now, let me be clear, Trade Ideas isn't some basic stock scanner. It's built for traders who want precision entry and exit signals without staring at charts all day, and that alone makes it a serious game changer. But of course, I didn't just go by what the website said. I went deep into the user reviews because that's where the truth usually lives. One user mentioned a rough experience during the test drive. He felt like the limited access didn't show the full potential, and he lost money copying some of the AI's picks. That's definitely frustrating, but here's the thing. Test drives are just that. A sample. A test drive. We don't know how he was managing risk or using the tools provided. That review stood out because it was rare. In fact, the majority of users I found had completely different experiences. One trader said Trade Ideas replaced eTrade Pro for him and called the real-time scanner irreplaceable. He loved how customizable it was and how easy it was to pick up, especially if you've used strategy scanners before. And the platform's overall 4.7-star rating? That speaks volumes. You're always going to have a few mixed opinions in trading, but the high ratings and the loyal user base say more than one isolated complaint ever could. But what makes Trade Ideas the best in what it does in my opinion, the standout feature of Trade Ideas is Holly AI. This is some next level stuff for algorithmic trading. Let me tell you. So Holly isn't just a tool. It is a real-time AI engine that analyzes massive amounts of data to generate precise, actionable trade ideas. What's really cool is that Holly doesn't just hand you a strategy, it evaluates the probabilities, weighs the risks, and adjusts based on market conditions. It's like having an expert algorithmic trader working behind the scenes for you. Holly even has different specialized versions tailored for different trading styles. So, for example, Holly Grail is great for cautious strategies, while Holly Neo is optimized for catching volume spikes and news-driven plays. These AI-driven suggestions aren't just helpful, they're smart and adaptive, and I think that makes them perfect for traders who want to automate their strategies without sacrificing precision. Now let's talk about Brokerage Plus, which takes the power of algorithmic trading and puts it into your hands. With this feature, you can fully automate your trades by integrating directly with platforms like Interactive Brokers. I love how it allows you to take Holly's recommendations or even your own custom strategies and executes them automatically. I think it's ideal for traders who don't want to miss opportunities but also want full control over their algorithms. Before automating any strategy, you've got to test it, right? Trade Ideas understands this, and that's why they created this cool odds maker feature. This feature lets you backtest your strategies using historical data so you can see how they would have performed in different market conditions. For algorithmic trading, I believe this is a must-have. It saves you from blindly executing trades and helps you refine your systems for better results. Trade Ideas also offers pre-built scans that are perfect for identifying algorithmic trading opportunities. So whether you're looking for patterns, volume surges, or technical setups, the scans save you hours of work. And if you're like me and you prefer tweaking things just a bit to fit your exact trading style, the platform's customization options are incredible. So how much do they cost? When it comes to the best algorithmic trading software, the cost can vary depending on your needs and level of involvement. The good news? Both platforms are reasonably priced for what they offer, especially when you factor in the automation and strategy support they bring. But that's not all. They also offer occasional discounts so you can get it for even less. So do well to check the links in the description of this video to get the exact pricing, commissions, and any potential discounts. Make sure to also take advantage of any current promotions. We'll do our best to keep the information updated as well. So here's the takeaway. If you want AI-powered scans and real-time automation, Trade Ideas brings the heat. If you prefer a strategy-focused toolkit with training baked in, PowerX Optimizer makes that simple. Both tools can level up your trading, it just depends on how you trade. Check the link in the description to explore both, compare features, and grab any current promos. We'll keep those links updated.